Have you ever wondered how obsolete missiles are safely decommissioned and disposed of? Have you considered the role AI could play in this process? The decommissioning of outdated missiles is not just a matter of housekeeping. It's a critical step in preventing accidental detonations and maintaining the national security. Now, imagine a world where artificial intelligence or AI could streamline this process. The possibilities are as vast as they are intriguing. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly, could potentially identify the safest and most efficient methods for missile decommissioning. It could help us understand the potential risks and how best to mitigate them. AI could also assist in the careful dismantling of these weapons, ensuring that every step is carried out with precision and safety. As we delve into the complexities of missile decommissioning, it becomes clear that AI could be a game changer. So how does the process of decommissioning and disposal of missiles currently work? Well, it's a multi-stage process that begins with dismantling, where the missile is taken apart piece by piece. This stage is critical as it involves handling potentially volatile parts, making it a high-risk task. Next, we move on to decontamination. This involves the removal of any hazardous substances that could be harmful to humans or the environment. It's another challenging stage as these substances need to be handled with extreme care to prevent any accidental exposure. Finally, the disposal stage. This is where the decontaminated missile parts are disposed of in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. However, it's not as simple as it sounds. With multiple regulations and guidelines to follow, the disposal stage can be a logistical nightmare. It's a complex process with many variables to consider, and this is where AI could step in to streamline and improve things. Imagine a world where AI is fully integrated into the decommissioning and disposal process of obsolete missiles. What would that look like? Let's delve into that. Firstly, safety is paramount. AI can significantly minimize human exposure